Happy birthday, hon.
Get him, girl.
This is yummy cake. It's actually not that good.
Get my nose.
You guys wasn't even watching.
What are you saying? Reese, what do you want her for? What do you need? You want your... Can you swim back? Kick, 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 kick. Good kicking. Kick, kick, kick. I'll get... Hi! Eat the cat. Eat the cat. Grace. Girl, you need to wake up, sis.
This is what make you beautiful.
Hey, don't put that chapstick on your nose. It goes on your lips. You want to eat it?
Yes.
You want another piece?
No, just
Hold on. Just a minute. You want another piece?
okay.
Why are you being sneaky?
I'm not.
You're hiding
I'm
something.
not.
Yeah, you are.
I'm not.
I know you're lying. Where are you going? What are you gonna do?
Get out of our fort! I hit him in the head! I hit him in the head!
Ready? She's real stuck in the hole. No, no pushies.
So what's the plan here? What are we doing?
Well, we're having a War 5 Payback Time 2017. I mean,
No, no. She needs to eat her breakfast. This is what you started with all this.
Addie, you need to eat your breakfast. No, I could have the breakfast, so.
Eat what? What are you eating? Ring Pop or Rice Krispie?